Hey guys, welcome back to Chris's World. I'm Chris, and today I thought it'd be awesome to introduce to you my new little series called Gadgets and Gear. Now this is going to be a little series that is going to talk about anything that might be able to help you guys in your photography or even in your content creation if you are a content creator. And there'll be things that are probably on a budget, things that might help you and things that have actually helped me as well as a content creator to be able to make these videos for you guys. So let's get to it. Welcome to my new series, Gadgets and Gear. You're watching the very first episode. Alright, so the first thing that we have here is the Altura Photo Flash Diffuser. So this is really cool, and on everything that I show you guys, I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Anyway, let's get back to it. This is the Altura Photo Flash Diffuser. And what this does is, well, first of all, it comes in a little bag, so that's cool. This actually is a diffuser that's material. So this is kind of like a little softbox, and it's really neat because all it does is it velcros to your flash. Now you can also use this for light, or you can use it, for flashes. I said that already. Anyway, so this is neat because it has a little extra diffuser inside. It actually velcros to the inside of it to actually give you extra diffusion. And there is also a nice little reflective coating. Let me see if I can show you. A nice little reflective coating in this that will actually help your light reflect even more out of the box. So this is a really cool product. I highly recommend it. It's made very well. It's like a vinyl material, I want to say, and it definitely has that nice softbox material as well. It has Velcro, and it's I've tried it and it fits very well on my flash. So go ahead and check this out. The link will be in the description, and if you like it, if you do order it, you try it out, let me know what you think, because I think it's a pretty cool item. I've used it a few times, and yeah, definitely a cool thing. So that's one item, and it just goes right back in the pouch. The nice thing about this is that it will actually go straight in your bag, and it will fit perfectly. It doesn't take up much room. It's a great little diffuser for on the go if you just want to, might even fit in your pocket if you're lucky. But it's a great little thing to put in your bag for sure. Alright guys, so here's another cool item that I picked up. Now I've tried this a couple times and it actually works pretty well. Helps you get really close to your subject if you're doing macro photography. This is a macro extension tube, and basically it gives you different sizes. There's a 28mm, there's a 14mm, and a 7mm. This is the Photo Iox. Let me see what this says on my phone, what this is. It is the, yeah, Photo Deox macro extension tube. And I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below so you guys can check this out. It's just a cool little extension tube for Nikon F-mount cameras. So any of the D series cameras, you know, this will fit to. This will fit on those cameras. So go ahead and check this out. This is actually pretty cool. I like it because you can use different sizes. It unscrews so that you can have any kind of special length, and then you can use the whole thing to get really nice close macro images. And you can use pretty much any lens with this. I recommend using a lens that, you know, will have macro on it, but you can use a 50mm and it will work pretty good as well. So go ahead and check this out. It's really cheap. I didn't pay much for this. It's just a little, because it doesn't have the little electronics on it to make it communicate. The only thing is that you have to manual focus with this, and that's it though, you know. But if you like macro photography, I highly recommend this. This is a really cool little thing. Really cheap too. It didn't cost much. I'll leave the description, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check that out. All right, another item that I picked up along the way is this. This is a compact flash adapter. So then this is used, all you have to do is stick this into your compact flash slot if you have an older Nikon camera, or even, I think Canon. I'm not sure, to be honest, what other camera uses compact flash. I'm very familiar with Nikon. But this, honestly, will fit into a compact flash slot, and you can put an SD card into it. So this is really, really handy, really cool little thing. This was actually recommended to me from one of my subscribers. I'm going to give a shout out to Dominic for this. He left me an awesome comment and told me about this, and I picked one up just to see what I can do. And I'm going to go ahead and give this thing a try. Actually, I have never tried it yet, but I think this is a really cool thing. You can stick this in any camera with compact flash and turn it into SD. Easily download your images. It's like having a micro SD card, if you know what those are for your phone. But this is really cool. So I highly recommend getting one of these. This thing is going to solve all your problems when it comes to using compact flash cards. Those compact flash cards they can really be expensive if they die. It's not solid state, but the SD cards really are a lot easier to handle in those cameras if you have that slot. So this definitely is an awesome little addition to your bag, I think. So go ahead and check that out. I'll put the link in the description below so you can go ahead and see. All right. Now, this is a really cool thing. I picked this up and I want to show you what this is all about. This is a cool little tripod slash selfie stick. Now, if you have a GoPro or if you are using a small camera, this is perfect because you can, look, it comes with a remote. This is really cool because you can use this with your phone to click on. It has a phone mount as well. This thing is really cool. It says it's for a smartphone, a camera, or a GoPro. So let's see here. I'll show you guys this awesome thing. So you got a GoPro mount, and this, it's not too big at all. It comes with a nice little carrying bag, so you can just carry it with you. But this is actually a handle. And I really wanted one of these because I need something for my Sony ZV-1 to use. The Sony ZV-1 has built-in image stabilization. So I thought this would be a really cool little handy dandy, cheap, mind you. This is actually really cheap for what you get in this really cool thing. So all you do is hold it. You have the tripod mount up here, and then this swivels back and forth. This is really cool. Okay, and then if you like, you can actually, let's see, I need to unlock it. You can turn this into a tripod. So you can just set it right here on the table and go ahead and use to film yourself or whatever you're gonna do. If you're into content creation, this is an awesome little tripod slash selfie stick. And then when you want to walk around, let's see, it's very new. So it will loosen up, I'm sure, a little bit after you start using it, but there's a little lock on here so it doesn't slide. But basically, you just attach your camera. It comes with all the mounts necessary for phone, GoPro, and of course, you know, you got your mount for any other small camera, which is awesome because this I feel would cost more. Of course, they make them like a charger. They make them where they have batteries in them so you can charge your device. You're gonna walk around and you have a camera that has stabilization on it. This is awesome. This does get pretty big, so let me unlock it and kind of extend it out. It is very long, very, very long, and it's telescopic and it's very well made. This thing's hard plastic. It's not cheapy feeling at all. It actually feels very expensive for the price you pay. It has little rubber grips down here. There's no rubber right here, which I thought was weird, so I might add a little piece of rubber right there just to give it the extra grip. But that's fine, you know, that's not hard to fix. But yeah, overall, I highly recommend this thing. It's got some weight to it, so you feel like you're actually holding, you know, something that's not going to break, you know, when you're using it, or it's not flimsy at all. So I would definitely trust this with my camera, especially because you can tighten this up really well. This doesn't move or go anywhere at all. It's very, very sturdy, very tight. So that's good, you know, and all you do is just, you know, hold it right there in front of you. This gives you that extra length if you have a camera like the Sony ZV-1 that has a narrow zoom. So it makes it so you have enough room. Because on my ZV-1, I actually got the lens to make it more wide angle. I'm not using it now, but I got it so then if I need it, I have it. That's another story. Anyway, definitely a great buy. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and check this out. It's quite awesome. I really do like it. Haven't used it yet, so I'm excited to go ahead and give it a try. Great carry around. Another item that I really like, this is the Moukey, I think it's an MCM1. This is just a little microphone that you put on top of your camera. It has a cold shoe right here, so go ahead and mount it. I like the sound of this. I think it was a really good price for what you get. It comes with a dead cat, and this I have gotten actually very good sound from. Now it's not going to be, of course, like a microphone, like a lav mic, but it does pick up a lot of good sound. So keep that in mind. I'll go ahead and leave the description. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and check this one out. It comes with a cord, it comes with this, it comes with another microphone adapter, and it also comes with a little foam little cover as well for when you're doing other kinds of video. So awesome product. It's well made. This is all metal. This of course is plastic. This is the cord is nice too. But yeah, definitely a cool product if you're doing video. I think that's it, you guys. I believe that is it. I hope you liked this little series that I am creating called Gadgets and Gear. There will be more in the future, promise you that, because there's always more things that you can get for your cameras, and you can get addicted to buying things for your cameras. So go ahead and stay tuned. If you liked this video, please smash that like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you'd like to, go ahead and go on my channel and check out my other videos. All right, I hope you're all doing well. Please take care, and I will see you in the next one.